80 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, civil court, Mia Chanu. Ready? Start. It must be remembered that the existence of an apparently fatal wound does not necessarily establish the accidental nature of the event which led to the death, and history of the deceased and of the case suggests no reason to suspect that expert examination of the body will reveal any cause of death other than the apparent one, comma, such examination may be dispensed with, full stop. In all cases where suspicion exists that the death was due either to suicide or to an act rendering the perpetrator thereof to a criminal charge, the body must be examined by a qualified medical officer, comma, if possible, full stop, new para. The law requires that the body shall be sent to the nearest qualified medical officer, comma, and the orders of the provincial government prohibit the summoning of such officer to conduct his examination at or near the scene of the death save in exceptional cases, full stop. These may occur, comma, where, comma, owing to advanced putrefaction or the circumstances in which the corpse was found, comma, movement of the corpse may make it impossible for the medical officer to form a correct opinion as to the nature of the injuries or the exact cause of death, full stop. In such cases, if the investigating officer considers expert post-mortem examination essential in the interests of justice, comma, he shall report the facts by the most expeditious means available to the superintendent of police or gazetted officer in charge of the case, comma, with the request that a qualified officer shall be sent to the spot, full stop. If the officer receiving the report endorses the opinion of the investigating officer, comma, he shall request the district magistrate or the next senior magistrate in the absence of district magistrate from headquarters to give orders for the medical examination of the body at the scene of death, full stop, new para. In cases where it is impossible either send a body to a qualified medical officer, comma, or to have it examined by such officer on the spot,